Hello everyone! Today we are making garlic shrimp chow mein. If you love garlic and shrimp, this is a great noodle dish to try. It's savory and garlicky with tender shrimp and soft, slightly chewy noodles stir-fried with simple ingredients. Everything comes together in one pan. Let's start with the vegetables. Here I have 1 mini sweet pepper, cut off the top, slice it in half, then remove the seeds and cut it into thin strips. The sweet pepper adds a nice red color, a little sweetness, and a bit of crunch to the dish. Then prepare a small handful of bean sprouts. For the green onions, chop the white parts into small pieces and cut the green parts into about 1/2 inch sections. Then we prepare 2 slices of ginger. Finally, use a food processor to finely chop 10 cloves of garlic. Now let's prepare the shrimp. I'm using frozen shrimp from Costco, size 21 to 25 with the tails on. After thawing them, remove the tails and slice them in half lengthwise. This helps them absorb more flavor and give them a nicer shape when stir-fried. Then season the shrimp with a little salt, a pinch of white pepper, some cornstarch, and cooking wine. Mix well. Then add a little sesame oil and mix again till evenly coated. Let them marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the shrimp is marinating, let's make the chow mein sauce. In a small bowl, add 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, a pinch of white pepper, a teaspoon sugar, and a tablespoon chicken broth. Mix well to combine. Now let's move on to the noodles. I'm using Hong Kong-style chow mein noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Then cook the noodles for 20 to 30 seconds max. If you are using a different type of noodles, you may need to follow the package instructions. Then drain the noodles in a colander, toss them with 1 tablespoon oil to coat evenly and set aside. Now we are ready to cook. Heat some oil in a wok. When the oil is hot, add the ginger and saute for a few seconds till fragrant. Then add the shrimp and spread them out in a single layer. Let them cook till the bottom starts to turn pink. Quickly stir-fry the shrimp, then add a little aroma chili oil and some of the minced garlic. It adds an extra layers of flavor and it smells very spicy. Then stir-fry till the shrimp are just cooked through. Remove them from the wok and set them aside. Finally, let's cook the noodles. Add a little bit more oil to the wok. Then add the chopped green onion whites and stir-fry for about 20 to 30 seconds till fragrant. Then add about half the minced garlic and cook over low heat. Let it slowly become fragrant. Once the garlic starts to turn slightly golden, turn the heat up to medium-high and add the noodles. Spread the noodles out evenly and do not move them at first. Let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then flip them over and cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes till lightly golden and fragrant. Then we pour in about half the chow mein sauce and quickly toss the noodles to coat them evenly. Then add the shrimp, sweet pepper, bean sprouts, and the rest of the sauce. Stir-fry everything together till well combined. Finally, add the green parts of the green onions and a drizzle of sesame oil. Give everything a quick toss. And that's it. Our garlic shrimp chow mein is ready. The noodles are savory and garlicky, the shrimp are tender, and everything comes together beautifully. You can have it ready in about 30 minutes. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.